Hey guys, it's Takisa and I'm back with another video. I'm just going to jump right into the tutorial. This is the Maybelline Master Prime Primer. This is the Blur and Mattify Primer, I believe. And this is a really nice primer that is affordable as well. And then I'm just going to start with my brows. And for brows, I'll be using the Juvia'S Place Brown eyeliner. And it actually turned out really well. I actually like how it turned out. My brows aren't too dark and they're not too light, and they're filled in where they need to be. Now I'm going in with the Juvia'S Place concealer in the shade 6 or 9. I still haven't figured out which one it is, but I'm going to go ahead and carve out my brows and then conceal my eyes so that I can go ahead and start on my eye look. And I'm using the Juvia'S Place concealer brush from the red brush set. Now the moment we all been waiting for, I will be going in with the Tribe palette, and I'm going to be doing this super cute emerald green look. And I'm so excited that I have this palette now because I have been loving greens on my eyes. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with that light brownish green color as my transition shade and just blend that out. Next, I'm going to go in with that emerald teal color, and I'm just going to go into my crease and blend that out in my outer V as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease with that same concealer that I used to carve out my brows. And I know everybody is getting tired of cut creases, but they make the look so clean. And I don't think I'll ever get tired of them. But I will try to do less of them for you guys this year and try to do more sultry, kind of soft crease looks. But I'm going to go ahead and carve out my crease, and then I'm going to go back in with that dark emerald teal color on the outside and just blend that into the concealer. Now I'm going in with that shimmery emerald teal color, and I'm just going to place that right in front of that outer V and then just blend it to the front. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and add that orange goldish shade to the front of the eye into my inner V and blend those two colors together. Now I'm going to go in with that Juvia's Place black gel liner and create the perfect wing. Now we're going to get into the face. I am using Juvia's Place's Royal Blue Brush Set. And for the foundation that I'm going to be using their Magic Foundation Sticks in the shade Nambia. And I'm going to be using that same concealer to go underneath my eyes that I used to carve out my brows. Now I know this isn't Juvia's Place, but I do not cream contour because I am so oily. So I'm not even going to do that to myself. But I am going to go ahead and use the Ruby Kisses contour palette. And I'm just going to go ahead and contour using a Juvia's Place brush instead of using a different brush. So that kind of makes up for it. But I'm just going to go ahead and chisel my face just a little bit. And then get into the powder from Juvia's Place. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer with the shade Kalahari from Juvia's Place. And these powders are actually very, very fine and I love them. The shade range is beautiful. It caters to all skin types, the fairest of fairs to the darkest of darks. And I appreciate Juvia's Place for this because a lot of people don't have that shade range. Maybe like Maybelline, but a lot of other brands don't offer it. So this is something that I'm very appreciative for. Now I'm going to set my face with the Morphe setting spray, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the gold shade out of the Tri palette and use that as my highlight. I've been using eyeshadows as highlight since I could remember, but this highlight is beautiful. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so these lashes are faux mink lashes that I found in my local TJ Maxx. They actually came in a set of 2 pairs and I absolutely love these lashes. They're durable, they last long, and I've had these for about a couple of months now, and all I do is clean them off with a Q-tip. And I'm just applying the Jordana lip liner that I used in my previous video. And I am using an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Catnip. This is one of my favorite pinks. I don't do too many hot pinks anymore, but this is a softer one. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of gloss from my company on top. This is my gloss Princess. It will be available super soon. I can't wait to share you guys the new changes that I brought. And that is the finished look.